Hello! In this video, we are going to prove the following theorem. Every positive integer is a positive real number. Now, in this series, we are using a list of 10 axioms for the real number system, and I'll leave that list of axioms in the description below. Now, in our real number system, we are given that the positive real numbers is a subset of the real numbers, and it satisfies axioms 8 and 9. Now, we used the set of positive real numbers to define the greater than relation and the greater than or equal to relation. And the way we defined them was as follows. Given any two real numbers, a and b, we say a is greater than b if a minus b is a positive real number. And we say a is greater than or equal to b if a is greater than b or a is equal to b. And we've also proven some facts about the greater than relation and the greater than or equal to relation, which are as follows. We have proven, given real numbers a, b, and c, if a is greater than or equal to b and b is greater than c, then a is greater than c. We've proven 1 is greater than 0, and we've proven for all real numbers x is a positive real number if and only if x is greater than 0. Now, in regards to the positive integers, we have defined the positive integers as a subset of the real numbers, and we have proven that 1 is the smallest positive integer. In other words, we have proven for all positive integers n, we have n is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so now let's get into proving this theorem. Now, we're trying to prove every positive integer is a positive real number. And to prove that, let's give ourselves an arbitrary positive integer. Call it n. Well, since 1 is the smallest positive integer, this means we must have n is greater than or equal to 1. But then, according to star star, we have a 1 is greater than 0. So then, combining these two inequalities together, we have n is greater than or equal to 1, 1 is greater than 0. So then, applying star, this implies n is greater than 0. So then, by star star star, if we take x to be n, well then n is a positive real number if and only if n is greater than 0. Well, since we know n is greater than 0, we can conclude that n is a positive real number. So, putting this together, we have shown if n is any positive integer, then n is a positive real number. And so that tells us that the positive integers is a subset of the positive real numbers. So this completes the proof. And so yeah, that's pretty much it for this video.